By now, your scissors and glue should be put away. We should be looking at these questions so we can get started. We've got a story problem. Who remembers that's the very first step in solving one of our story problems? It's not very tricky. What is the first thing we gotta do? Harley?
You read the problem.
You gotta read it. In order to solve a story problem, you have to read it.
If you don't,
It says, Frozen's mom is buying hot dog buns for cookout. Each pack has 10 buns, and she bought 4 packs. How many hot dog buns did she buy? I want you to read that one more time and see if you can figure out what are we counting in this problem. Julian, put your glue up, please. No, I'm not asking you to solve it. I just want you to figure out what are we counting. Colby, did you read it one more time? Because it doesn't look like it. So play on with your pencil and start reading that problem. Alright, you gotta read it. The very next step is to write our answer sentence. In order to do that, we have to know what we're counting. Paxton, what are we counting? Hot dog buns. Look at that question portion. How many hot dog buns did she buy? She, I'm writing, you're writing, bought blank hot dog buns. Now, Cole and I had a conversation because on his iReady, instead of blank, it actually did something kind of cool. It put a letter. I think it put a B.
Yeah, and B.
It's just a spot saver. A number could go there. That could be a box, right? If I wanted it to be a box, I could make it a box. If I wanted it to be a smiley face, it could. Now, because it's easier for us just to fill in a blank, I'm going to make it a line. But it could be any of those things. It's just going to be a spot saver because we know a number goes there. We know she bought some number of hot dog buns. We just don't know how many yet. So we know that we're counting hot dog buns. What else do we know? What else do we know? Maverick, can you close my door, please? Look at that problem. It tells us some things. We know she's buying hot dog buns. But what else do we know? Archer, what else do we know?
We know that it has 10 buns and she's buying 4.
So we've got packs. Packs remind me of groups. So how many groups or packs did she buy?
4 groups.
4 groups. Let's draw 4 circles. All right, why am I drawing 4 circles?
Because they each get into 1 pack.
They each are 1 pack. Hot dog bun packs. Have you ever seen those? They're kind of circular-ish.
Yeah. Well, they're like that.
Kind of.
Well, they're like.
No. I draw mine big just so you can see them.
Mine.
They don't need to be very big.
Like a.
Marley, no, thank you. All right, so Archer told us that we bought 4 packs. Cole, no, thank you. How many came in those packs? We've got those packs. Well, we might need to know how many came in there. Lydia, how many came in there?
10.
10. Could I put 10 tally marks in here?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Put 10
Could I put 10 little circles, little dots?
Yeah.
Yes. If that helps you, go for it. I'm not. I'm going to write the number 10 because my brain can handle that right now. But if it helps you to put 10 little tally marks, live your best life. Whatever makes your brain happy. This is what I'm doing. If you don't have to, I don't need announcements as to what you are doing. Question?
Are we allowed to do what you did? Okay. Just helps me.
So now I've got a model. I've got a picture. We've read the problem. We know we're counting hot dog buns. I've got a picture. What equation? That's my next step. What equation matches the picture I just made? Cole?
4 times 10.
So let's read that one more time, but we're going to read it with some groups of language, but you're correct.
10 plus
No. So instead of
4 groups of 10.
there we go. 4 groups of 10 equals box. What is that box there for? Paxton, why is there a box on my screen?
So that's where we put the.
A number is gonna go there. We just have to figure it out yet. There's a spot saver. Yeah. Put in that box. Write a box. 4 groups of 10 equals box. Is there another equation I could use? 4 groups of 10 will work, but there's another way I could solve it. Maverick, think you figured it out?
Yep, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10.
10 plus 10.
10 plus 10.
Ooh, getting a little gnarly over there. We've got that repeated addition equation. We're repeating the same number over and over again. Repeated addition equals box. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals box. Sure. 4 groups of 10 and 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. They look different.
But they equal the same thing.
They do equal the same number. They have the same value. They look different, they smell different, they taste different,
What?
but they are worth the
You can
same
eat
amount. So we've got a couple of options
Yeah.
because now we've got to solve it. I could use my multiplication equation and skip count. I could do that. Or I could use some addition. Raise your hand and tell me which strategy would you like to use? What makes your brain happy? Would you like to use multiplication, try to skip count? Or would you like to use addition? Samaya? Skip count. Skip count with me. Ready?
10, 20, 30, 40.
4 groups of 10 is equal to?
40.
If I know 4 groups of 10 is equal to 40, can I figure out what 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is?
Yeah, it's 40.
It's 40. Still 40.
It's just
Still in our story. She bought 40. All right. Let's take a look at problem number 2. The very first step is reading it. Marley, not out loud, please. Read it to yourself in your head. See if you can figure out what are we counting. And bonus, if you can come up with an answer sentence. If you think you know an answer sentence, go ahead and write it. So Paxton knows we're counting stickers. That's correct. Look closely at that question. That'll help you make your answer. Callie, you want to try?
Yeah. Callie bought blank stickers.
Love it. Callie, I think you just have them, so we might change that to has blank stickers. You see how I put that in a sentence? Jordan, no thank you. We've got a sentence. I'm going to give you some time to see if you can come up with a picture. Look at what's happening in that problem. Can you come up with a model or a picture? Lydia drew some rectangles. Lydia, why did you draw a rectangle? Actually, quite a few rectangles.
Well, because it's sheets, so each sheet, so there were 4 sheets, so I did 4 rectangles.
Awesome. Lydia chose 2 rectangles. I see Penelope's got circles. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's whatever makes your brain happy. If circles makes your brain happy, live your best life. If rectangles make your brain happy, live your best life. I am gonna do rectangles just because when I think of sticker sheets, I think of rectangles. But you don't have to change it if you did circles. That's fine.
What if you did like one?
Well, you need a group because it's a sticker sheet, right? So we should have how many, Lydia?
4.
4. The pack has 4 sheets. I'm drawing my sheets because I know stickers belong on sheets. You should have them drawn, whether they're rectangles or circles. You should have something happen. Yes, ma'am.
Can we put 9 stickers lines or just 9 there?
Keep going. In where?
And the rectangle?
So Maya wants to put 9 circles or dots or something inside the rectangles. Is that where they're going to go? Yeah. You could do dots. You could write the number 9. I don't care. I'm going to write the number 9 because that makes my brain happy.
Same.
But if you want to put all them dots down, live your best life. No, thank you. That's not what we're doing. It's a waste of time. What kind of equation can we do to match this? Maverick, what kind of an equation can we do to match this?
We could do 4 groups of 9
I could do 4 groups of 9. Keep going.
equals blank.
Perfect. Equals box. 4 groups of 9 equals box. Is there another equation I could use?
Yes.
Is there another equation I could use? Julian, you think you know what the other equation might be?
Addition.
Yeah, what addition equation could I use? Keep going. Very good. You've got 4 9s there. That matches your 4 9s here. Equals box. Now we have a decision to make. You're facing the wrong direction. Now we have a decision. Colby, you're going to make our decision, so be listening, okay? Are we going to use multiplication and do some skip counting? Or are we going to do addition? Do you know how to skip count by 9? Okay, so if we don't know how to skip count by 9s, or that's not easy for us, don't choose that option. What was the other way we could do it? If we don't know how to skip count, that's okay. If we aren't good at our 9s. I'm not good at my 9s. So what's the other way, Colby, that I could figure it out? If I'm not using multiplication, what's my other option?
Okay, fine. I'm just doing it myself.
Look at our 2 equations. If we're not going to use multiplication because we're not going to skip count, what's the other one we've got to use?
9 plus 9 plus 9 is 9.
Can you tell it to me? Can you read the equation to me? Addition. That's when we're adding. I like to do pairs. I'm going to draw a little carrot between 9 and 9.
That's 8.
What is 9 plus 9?
18.
What is 9 plus 9? Avery?
18.
18. If I know 9 plus 9 is 18, can I figure out 9 plus 9?
Yeah.
All right, what's 9 plus 9?
18.
18. Now I have to add 18 plus 18. I'm glad that I'm seeing you figure it out, Colby. This is the part where you're doing math. We're not just chilling. But when you figure it out?
35.
So close.
One less.
Look at 8 plus 8. No, you don't do that. Go on, you're super close. Look at your 8 plus your 8. Emma?
36.
36. Very good. So, Penelope, if we know this equals 36, can we figure out 4 times 9? What is it? 36. Archer, how many stickers does Callie have?
36.
36. We were counting her stickers. Now we know. She's got 36 stickers.
Kelly has 36. Wow, Kylie, you have a lot of stickers. I have stickers. 60. Yeah.